Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to implement and customize PubGuru Data Gaurd, a consent tool developed by MonetizeMore to make sure our publishers are compliant with GDPR or General Data Protection Regulation. All this information can be found on the Frequently Asked Questions blog that we have published, and we will be posting the link in the description box below. Let's get down to the nitty-gritty. We have here a sample of a fully customized code for you. And don't worry, we will be posting this as well in the description box below for your reference. Now, for lines number 13, 14, 15, and 16 here, these are optional. This is for customization. Now, if you want to follow this, then go ahead and edit. For your publisher name, put in your domain name or your company name. For your privacy policy, go ahead and grab the URL where you can find your privacy policy and post it in here. Replace this URL here. And for your logo, go ahead and upload it in your root domain and grab the URL, post it, and replace this right here. Now for the consent duration, this is how long our technology will remember whether a user has consented or not. If you don't include this line right here, since this is optional, by default, our technology will remember consent for 390 days. If you want to override that, go ahead and do that. And let's say you want to do 90 days. That means technology will remember that a user has consented for the next 90 days. And here's the very important part right here, the publisher cookie wrap function. So this makes sure that we don't load the ads and your Google Analytics and any other codes that collect data or user data. They don't load unless the user consents first. So what do you need to include here? First of all, you're going to have your off-page header tag that was provided to you by one of your account managers in MonetizeMore. And it looks exactly like this. What you need to do is grab this right here, this URL, and put that in here. All right. Next is we need to wrap your Google Analytics code as well. So where can you find this? On your Google Analytics account, you go to admin, then you go to tracking info and tracking code, and you're going to have this information right here. Now, here's an example. Okay, so this is now your tracking code for Google Analytics. Some of you or most of you for sure already have this deployed in the header section of your site. Now what we need to grab here is this one. Okay, grab that URL and put that in here. All right, and this right here, the remaining lines of code here from lines 20 to 23, that is basically this right here and that. So once you have that, and very important as well, we have to include cdn.pubguru.com pg.js script right here, and that's it. Now what you need to do is deploy this in the header section of your site. So if you are using a plugin, depending on your theme or whether it's directly implemented on the header section of your site, I would suggest remove the previously deployed header tag for your header bidding, and the same thing with your previously deployed Google Analytics tracking code, and deploy this right here to replace them. Now let's try to test if this script or tag works. Open a text file. Save it. And we have to make sure it's saved as HTML. So include extension.html, save, and use HTML. Alrighty. Now what we need to do is go ahead, open that HTML file that we just saved, and it's gonna open on your browser. To test if this works, let's go ahead and try to inspect. Go to network, and let's try to reload the page. Okay, now we'll go ahead and try to emulate as if we are in the EU by appending the URL with this. And there you go. So if you notice, there's a pop-up that we want to see, and the page is not loading the rest of the elements on the page yet. It's loading our pg.js script right here. And if we click on OK and consent, you see it's loading the rest of the stuff in there. Header bidding script, your Google Analytics. So you're seeing all those errors right there because those are dummy scripts, but basically the point is we are not loading header bidding and analytics unless the user consents first. Okay. All right, guys, as promised, we will be posting the links in the description box below, and you can find more information on our frequently asked questions blog, and the link is also posted below. And feel free to reach out to us in case you have any questions. Thank you.
That's it for today. Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and to subscribe to our blog to learn to monetize more. Hope to see you here again soon. Bye for now.